Would you like to create the bill of materials and terminal chart for your project in less than 5 seconds with just one sentence? Let's ask WSCAT AI Copilot to do that for us. In the end of the video, I will show you the results. Let's get started. Welcome to WSCAT Introduction. Today, I will show you a brief overview of what you can do with our software. 6 disciplines, all connected to each other. Let's get started. The electrical engineering discipline helps you to plan, develop, and document medium, low, and extra low voltage systems in mechanical engineering, industrial, and building automation. It's fast, user-friendly, and incredibly intuitive. You can design this control panel in less than 1 hour with macro templates, CNC drilling data, and full export capabilities. WSCAT ensures seamless integration from design to production, making control panel design faster, smarter, and more efficient. Automated wiring, field-level displays, and 3D wire routing optimize planning. At the same time, wire length calculation ensures precision. In the end, the 3D view and collision check give you a clear and accurate visualization of your panel before production. Building system technology designers can use electrical installation discipline to design high and low voltage installations. Import floor plans from DWG-DXF or PDF files, manage layers, and get a 3D control view. It is fully integrated with schematics and control panel you have designed. And in the end, the software automatically calculates all required material quantities. Process engineers can use our software to create intelligent piping and instrumentation diagrams. Automated numbering, cross-disciplinary linking, quick navigation, and seamless import-export of measuring points are just some of the points in P&ID discipline. Fluid engineering plans and document pneumatic and hydraulic systems and generate tube labels automatically, material list for the fluid components, and connect that to your electrical schematics. Cable list, cable chart, terminal chart, PLC plan, bill of materials are just part of the comprehensive reporting in WSCAT. Graphic terminal and cable charts make your design process easier by visually displaying terminal connections and cable routes. Quickly check wiring accuracy, manage cables effectively, and ensure correct cable types and connections across your project. And now the most important part of WSCAT. We are the first and only ECAT software to integrate AI into the design process. Need help using the software? Just ask any question. Simple questions like how to change the language in the software, or more complex like which cross-section to use for a specific current. AI Copilot is the smart assistant for WSCAT. Want to speed up the tasks? Let AI write commands for you, like in here, instantly generating the bill of materials and terminal chart. Do you need deeper insights? WSCAT AI Copilot can analyze your project, find the symbols without a part assigned to them, and even detect errors before they become problems. Work smarter, faster, and with confidence with WSCAT AI Copilot. Thank you for choosing WSCAT. For more helpful videos and tips, visit our YouTube channel.